In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add additional business categories to your Google business profile. Making sure your business profile on Google is accurate and comprehensive is crucial for reaching potential customers. So let's dive in and see how you can enhance your profile with additional categories. First, you need to navigate to the Google Business website. You can do this by typing business.google.com into your web browser. Once the page loads, look at the upper right corner of your screen and you'll see a sign in button. Click on it to log in. If this is your first time signing into your business profile, you'll be prompted to use the Gmail account associated with your business. Go ahead and enter your credentials. For those of you who have logged in before, you will be automatically directed to your Google Profile Manager. Once you're in the Profile Manager, you'll need to decide which business you would like to edit. Click on the option to see your profile. Alternatively, you can also find your business profile by going to Google and simply typing the name of your business or My Business into the search bar. Hit enter and look for your business name in the search results. Click on View Profile to return to your dashboard. Now that you're in your Google Business dashboard, navigate to the Edit Profile section. You'll find various options here, but we want to focus on the About section. Look for the business category area. Once you find it, you'll notice a little pencil icon beside it. Click on this icon to edit your business categories. When you click on the pencil icon, a new screen will appear allowing you to add another category. Click on Add Another Category and a text box will appear. Start typing the name of the new category you want to add. As you type, Google will provide suggestions in a drop-down menu. You can choose from these suggestions, which makes it easy to find the most appropriate category for your business. To make sure you're selecting the best category, Google offers a helpful feature called Help Customers Find Your Business by Industry. Take a moment to explore this option to refine your choice even further. Once you've made your selection, the final step is to save your changes. Make sure to click the Save button to update your profile effectively. And just like that, you've successfully added additional business categories to your Google Business profile, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your business online.